Badass nigga. Live. Peace seems so hard to find. Peace seems so hard to find. Yeah. Damn. Peace seems so hard to find. I've been looking for some peace, but can't find the answer. Just lost my antique monster guy. Breast cancer. My nigga Dame on trial and they trying. Yo, what's the deal? It's your boy StoneBone In Snow. Just hitting you with another video. It was just 60 degrees today, and then look at this shit now. Look at that. Y'all hear that shit? You can't really see that shit right now. It's hard to look. It's fucking just 60. It was just 60 to fucking degree down. It's fucking snowing. You barely even see out this bitch. God, man, look at that shit, bro. Nigga can barely see around this bitch, cuz. Look at this shit. You can't tell that good off on the camera, though. You can see a little bit. Let me see when I stop. Can't you get a see, really? I mean, not really. I'll try that on my window. See if you can see that shit. You can see that shit blowing in front of the camera and shit. That shit crazy. Oh shit. Yeah, it's your boy StoneBone Boxing, man, here with another video. I just wanted to talk about what's going on in boxing right now. I'm just really getting disappointed in what I'm seeing. I really am. Damn, it's really crazy. I really can't see that shit for sure. Let's see if y'all can see this shit. But yeah, I just want to talk about what's going on in boxing, man. I mean, it seems like everybody right now is working on their best excuse for the duck season. You know what I mean? The duck season is out in full force. Everybody is looking for an opportunity to duck. You know what I mean? We got Danny Garcia fight Ivan Redkach, and these guys are acting like Ivan Redkach was a real test for Danny Garcia. You know what I mean? It's sad, but that's the extent we're going to where a mandatory contender in Igis Kavalauskas is dismissed as a bum. I mean, it's dismissed as a bum. While Ivan Redkach is somehow supposed to be some good opponent. You know what I mean? This shit is ridiculous. I just want to laugh at these guys who putting out this bullshit. I know that you can be in love with your favorite fighter and you can want to protect your favorite fighter, but this shit has got to stop. These guys is out here calling Meme Machine, motherfucking Green Machine, Coin Machine, all of this shit they calling this man, while they having no problem getting Ivan Redkach's name right. The nigga name is Redkach. You know what I mean? That's what I'm gonna call him from now on, Ivan Redkach. He lost to fucking Tevin Foreman, got knocked out by somebody that Bud beat the shit out of, and John Molina was no contest. Knocked Ivan Redkach out, and Danny Garcia struggled, go 12 rounds and look average with Ivan Redkach. You know what I mean? So I was just sick of all of this bullshit and these dudes is doing all this motherfucking lie, man. Let's see. You know what I mean? It's just getting stupid, bro. Like, I know you love these fighters and you're pro PBC, and I'm all for that. But this shit gotta stop, man. We acting all like these ain't real fighters, and like these niggas ain't having real fights and shit. Niggas is really acting real dumb with it. And it's just getting fucking annoying to hear niggas go back and forth talking about, oh, Danny Garcia He looked good in this. Man, you can't look good against a nobody who fucking. It'd be different if you were conquering weight classes as you're moving up. He got beat at 35, got knocked out at 140. So they like he was champion, moving through weight classes like Bud Crawford or Manny Pacquiao or shit, even Mikey Garcia. You know what I mean? Like, so all of this weirdo protective coverage and witness protection shit that we're doing for these fighters, man, gotta stop, man. They say we want the best to fight the best. If that's what we want, man, let's push for that. But this shit gotta stop, all of this acting like just because you don't like Bud Crawford, he didn't fight nobody, and just because you don't like or you do like Earl Spence, you acting like he can't do nothing wrong. Like, this shit is just getting ridiculous. Like, we can criticize Danny versus Redkach. We can, because that was a bullshit fight. You know what I mean? It shouldn't even have been, we shouldn't have to watch it. But it's your boy StoneBone Boxing, man. I'm going to catch y'all on the next video, man. We get out of this little snowstorm that just slid up on your boy. So, man, I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.